Hey guys, look at us at day 10. I made it to day 10 and I'm eating breakfast and my plate look very heavy. So it is 9:02 a.m. I'm having steamed pop char, some steamed breadfruit, and some of the broad beans that I cooked. I want to say 2 days ago, or would it have been 3 days ago? Anyhow, it's been in the fridge long enough, it has to go. So that's what's for breakfast this morning. Oh, and I made cinnamon tea. You can't see my cup. But I'm making sure to eat before I drink the cinnamon tea this morning because we're not interested in the low blood sugar feelings. So yeah, see you at lunch.
Hey guys, it is 1:45 p.m. and I haven't had any lunch. We're drinking coconut water here. I'm hoping it tastes nice. I haven't touched my water either. I'm having heartburn right now. Probably because I haven't eaten anything. It's raining. Not bad. Better than the last one I had, which I believe was also from this brand. But yeah, it's just gonna be coconut water for now. And so water here from morning. My water has not moved. But let's see. I'm off to the gas station now. It's in my eyebrow. Where the sun is.
I don't like glaring and then over here so dark. Come on. Um, my light on charge apparently because it's not turning on. Well, I haven't used it since I put it up here. But when I'm eyebrow them always look nice on that one. But it's fine. Cute. Right? Right? It's 2:17. I'm gonna go pick up my baby. Oh, the point of this video was to say that I did my eyebrows and I'm still not. Why am I taking off the seatbelt? And that I still have not finished my coconut water. It is now 2:18. I still not finished the coconut water. And I still not start the bottle of water. Oh, we're gonna go pick up the baby now. Guys, does that make the lighting better? I don't know. Anyhow, it is 5 minutes after 4 and I'm about to eat. I have ackee, yellow yam, and bananas that I boiled in the skin because I'm too lazy to peel them. And this is gonna be dinner. I should not start drinking water yet. I sure not. I finished the coconut water. Still not start drinking the water yet. I don't know what is with the struggle and drinking the water today, to be honest. Because usually I would have at least started the water. So the ackee I boiled with thyme, some crushed pimento, piece of pepper, scallion. I think that's about it. It tastes nice, guys. Me love ackee. But I boil the ackee by itself and give me and eat it same way. Whether or not I'm doing the Daniel fast. But so this is dinner. I'm having a good day today. And I have no weird feelings today, no low blood sugar feelings, no cravings, no nothing. just feel like my regular normal self. Guess my body kind of even out and used to this. And even today when I was out and about and smelling fast food and whatever, I had no point in at no point in time did I feel for anything. Come even buy patty for baby K, and while I was eating his patty, I was not tempted any at all today. So big up day 10. Day 10 I'm going to yourself. Tomorrow might be a struggle because I'm not gonna be home and I'm gonna be in an unfamiliar place. I'm not gonna be sure where to get vegan food. I remember it's not just vegan, it has to be unprocessed too. So whole foods, whole vegan foods. Um, and sometimes when you search on Google Maps here, the results aren't always reliable. So I'm gonna bring my water and a bottle of coconut water. I'm going to a meeting. They normally have fruits there. That's the only thing I'm sure about for tomorrow. And I guess me just drink up my water. And tomorrow just going to be a fruits and water day. Guys, so that is it for day 10. Thank you for being here. I'm gonna go finish my dinner. I'm gonna peel the bananas now with it. Just pull the skin off. It come off really easily this way. Like that. The bananas don't look pretty inside because they're dark when you boil them in the skin. But I don't really care. So yeah, I'm just gonna finish eating dinner. And that is it. I'm gonna try and drink at least half of that bottle of water before I go to bed tonight. And that is it for day 10. Thanks so much for being here. Bye bye.